Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SW Metro official channel. In December, Kody and Christine will appear in person for their court case. Will it be filmed by TLC? In their ongoing legal dispute over child support, Sister Wives stars Christine Woolley and Kody Brown are scheduled to appear in court together. The former couple will finally appear in front of each other on the date the court set for the face-off. Additionally, the authorities have disclosed whether or not this court case will be filmed for the show. When fans discovered some startling information regarding Christine and Kody's persistent problems, they were shocked. What is the point of this? For their family show, would the judge permit these two to film their court battle? When will they appear in court in person? Learn some startling yet fascinating facts about this by continuing to read. At last, Sister Wives actress Christine Woolley took action and submitted a petition for support, parent time, and custody of the children. Since his name isn't on a Truly's birth certificate, she wants Kody to take a test to prove his fatherhood. The celebrity is also asking the court for a suitable visitation plan and child support from her ex-husband. During this judicial battle, a domestic relations injunction was also filed. It prevents Kody and Christine from any kind of harassment or denigration of one another. Without disclosing every detail to one another, they are unable to sway Truly and take her on excursions. The moment had finally arrived for Kody and Christine to appear in court against one another. Kody and Christine will now go to court together. On December 18th, they will hold a case management conference in Utah. It appears that since the entire session will be conducted virtually, the ex-couple won't need to appear in person at the court. However, because the authorities aren't letting the network tape the proceedings at all, it looks like fans won't be able to witness it on the Sister Wives show. Kody and Christine cannot legally videotape their legal dispute, according to the Ashley. At any costs, their activities cannot be recorded, photographed, or transmitted. Their conduct would be deemed contempt of court if they didn't comply. Therefore, Christine and Kody would be subject to a fine and jail time if they even attempted to record the proceedings. This is due to the fact that the specifics of Christine and Kody's petition are not public. They made the decision to keep things secret because they don't want the world to be aware of every aspect of their legal troubles. As a result, Kody, Christine, and their attorney are limited to viewing the specifics of each counterclaim. Kody is prepared to defend himself in court after hiring an attorney. On October 13th, his attorney finally made an appearance in court on his behalf. After Christine hauled them to court, they filed a counterclaim and answer. It will therefore be intriguing to watch who prevails in this court case and whether Kody consents to pay Truly's child support. Do you feel excited too? Please share your thoughts in the comments. For further updates, return often to the TV season and spoilers page. Will Christine's lawsuit and Kody's purchase of the mansion clash? Kody and Robin Brown, stars of Sister Wives, purchased a $2.1 million mansion in Flagstaff, Arizona. Additionally, some headlines imply that this home purchase is against a court order. He might even face jail time for it, according to some ludicrous rumors. That is all bullshit. The reason it's hysteria will be explained. On Friday, Kody and Robin purchased the nearly 8,000 square foot house under the name of the trust they run. The primary residence is 5,600 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. A theater room, a formal living room, and a bonus room are all present. There is also a guest home that is 2,300 square feet. It has 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. A 2,200 square foot RV garage is also included. And a garage with several cars. Robin and Kody Brown contributed $420,000 towards the 30-year loan. $1.68 million is the principal amount of the loan. Getting the best loan rate and having good credit will result in a monthly mortgage payment of around $12,000. In addition, there are insurance and taxes. Additionally, they currently owe roughly $2,800 a month on another property loan. That's quite a bit. Monthly house payments of about $15,000. That's $180,000 annually. Robin and Kody Brown purchased $2.1 million mansion in Flagstaff. According to some websites, Kody's purchase of the house is in violation of a court order in Christine Brown's case against him. She is suing to prove that he is truly Brown's father, as her birth certificate does not include him. She also demands both back child support and child support. This case is in family court. In Utah, there is an automatic injunction in every family case. It covers debt and assets, harassment, and disparagement. According to these smug experts, Kody is in violation of the rule against hiding or disposing of assets. That portion of the injunction, however, is not applicable. It only applies to situations involving debt and asset splits. For example, in a divorce, when they decide who will keep the house, the car, and who will be responsible for paying off credit card or student loan debt. Christine didn't file that kind of case. Additionally, he currently owes her nothing. The case is ongoing. His paternity has not yet been confirmed with Truly. Following that, the court will consider a child support decision. Nonetheless, there appears to be a connection between Christine's case and the timing of this significant home purchase. The large down payment is one of them. They contributed $420,000. That amounted to 20% of the cost of the house. They can thereby avoid paying for PMI. Additionally, it implies that Kody does not have a sizable sum of money on hand in case the court determines that he is in behind on his child support payments. When the courts rule on a big sum like that, they frequently figure out a payment schedule. However, they might force Kody to pay up all of his money at once if he had a large sum in the bank. The non-disparagement clause in the injunction is another problem. It states that the parties are not allowed to speak negatively about one another in front of the child. If that were the case, I'm not sure how Sister Wives Season 20 could be recorded. The day Christine filed the lawsuit, the injunction became operative. It was the day following the premiere of Season 19. Thus, their confessions and previously recorded scenes. Therefore, the injunction is not applicable. And it remains in effect until the case's ultimate ruling. They will need to obtain an exception to the injunction if Season 20 airs, or Kody will need to learn to control his tongue. Or he may actually be breaking the order. However, in terms of purchasing this large home, no, Kody Brown does not face jail time. A court order has not been broken by him. He's not showing off an order. He's only showing off his large home for his lone surviving wife. Christine's great-uncle killed her grandfather. Does she have any relationship to Mormon murderers? Christine Brown, star of Sister Wives, was raised in a polygamous household. Because of their polygamous heritage, she has lost a lot of family members. The TLC star's great-uncle killed her grandfather. On the show, Christine was frequently referred to as a polygamist royalty. Prior to her marriage to Kody, she was aware of the idea. But after marrying the latter, her opinions shifted. Christine was the third wife to her husband, and together with the other women, she raised the enormous brood. She never gave out a lot of information about her past and family. Due to her membership in the Mormon faith, the TLC star appears to have lost a lot of family members. What truly transpired between Christine's great-uncle and grandfather? To find out more about her family history, continue reading. Christine Brown, star of Sister Wives, had experience with polygamy. Her relationship with the Mormon community is excellent. Thus, when they were married in 1994, Kody always viewed the TLC star as a resource. Christine was the granddaughter of Rulon C. Allred, a well-known figure in the neighborhood. He served as the Apostolic United Brethren's previous leader. Prior to his divorce from his multiple wives, Kody was also a member of this church. At that time, he held the church's priesthood council and its leadership in high regard. Nonetheless, the Mormon community has a long history of homicides. Because of the competition, Christine also lost family members. What caused her grandfather's death? What was the reality? In order